Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So today's video is going to be so exciting because I'm sharing with you the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So this is what the box looks like, and I have been very intrigued with this product, so I wanted to try it out for you guys. So yeah, I will show you a full demo and how I use it and my thoughts in full review. So let's get started with the video. Alright, so I went and picked up this one-step hair dryer and volumizer from Revlon, and I got mine for $50. It was on sale at Target, but it's originally $59, I believe. I believe Ulta had a sale around Black Friday for like $35. It was sold out. I wasn't sure if it was going to come back before Christmas time, but it is the 6th of December, and I believe I got this on Tuesday maybe, which was 2 days ago, so the 4th. And this is what it looks like. The box is ginormous. And I was so intrigued by this because it's like a blowout tool. So it like dries your hair, and it's a brush as well. So this is what the actual product looks like. It's pretty dang large, which is interesting in my opinion, because I feel like maybe people with shorter hair might not be able to get like a great like curl with this, I guess. But this is so cool because it has two different types of bristles. It has like the silicone-y plastic bristles, and then it has the boar bristles. So like I said, this is a like blowout type of tool, something to get a blowout look without having a big round brush, and then also your hair dryer. That was my biggest grief, my biggest pet peeve with blowouts at home was like I could never get the curl and get it to like spin while also holding a hair dryer. It just like took forever. I would take so long to get a blowout, and this tool is all in one. So it blows air out of the brush while you're drying your hair. It is so insane. I'm just going to say right now, I really freaking love this thing. I've tried it out twice now, and I love it, you guys. If you love this blowout look, this really shiny, sleek hair, and then you can curl the ends. I like barely curled the ends in, and I think it looks so nice. If you're someone who wears your hair straight all the time and loves this kind of look, then you would love this tool. It has 3 different speeds: cool, high, and low. I have used high most of the time, and there's the cool setting too, which I think is great. I loved using it on these front pieces when I first did my hair, but they've been kind of behind my ear because I filmed this makeup look. P.S. If you like this makeup look, it is my New Year's Eve makeup look that will be coming very soon if it's not up already. And so the whole thing behind this is like, obviously that's a blowout tool, but then it has ionic technology for fast, silky smooth, shiny results, tangle-free combination bristles, which I agree with. My hair hasn't been tangled with this. Like, I usually have problems with other round brushes like this, my hair getting caught. My hair hasn't like gotten caught in this at all. Like, there is hair in the brush, but that happens anytime I brush my hair. Like, I always shed, so I don't think that's a big deal. Then it also has a ceramic coating that helps reduce damage on your hair. It's tangle-free combination bristles. Lightweight ergonomic design. It is pretty lightweight. It's not like super heavy or anything. And then it has oval design for smooth volume and curled ends, which I believe you can get. I don't think you're going to get ginormous volume with this unless you put some product in your root while you're doing it and you really like go straight up with the pieces, but you can get decent volume with it. Like, I mean, I don't really have much volume, but that's because I don't really go straight up with the pieces. I find it a little bit more difficult, and you're going to have to spend more time. But my whole thing is getting like smooth, dry hair in really short amount of time. I could do my whole head, which I have pretty long hair, in about 20 minutes, and it's styled and dried from like soaking wet hair. It's pretty insane because usually it takes me forever to dry my hair, and then I would have to section everything off and straighten it or curl it. And obviously this is only going to get you like straight hair with a little bit of a flipped on in end flipped in ends. Like you can't really curl your hair with this, but it is going to be like a great tool to have a really quick hairstyle if you're running out the door but needed to wash your hair. Or if your hair like dried overnight and you just wanted to like spray it a little bit and then do this and style it, I think that would work really well as well, but I haven't done that. I've only used it when it's like freshly washed and like super soaking wet. Has unique airflow vents that enhances design for faster drying and better coverage. Swivel cord, which is really important in my opinion when you're spinning the brush. It like really easily, like the cord doesn't get tangled or anything. And it has like multiple heat settings, like I said. Yeah, so like that's basically it. And like I said, it can take me about 20 minutes to use this thing. It's also nice. It has a cool touch here. So I like to like hold both ends and really like spin it while I'm doing this. I've been inserting clips of me using this because obviously it's loud when you use it. And I think it's so easy to use. I've used it where in the videos, you can see that I section off my hair to use it. That's like the easiest way to make sure you get every inch nice and dry. But I have used it where like my hair is all the way down, like all of it, and just kind of go over it multiple times. But like that's probably going to add more damage to the hair. So I do think my hair looks nice and shiny and great with this. And I think it is an amazing piece. It would be a great gift for Christmas. And I mean, it's a little bit more pricey. It's $50, but this compared to getting like a hairdryer and a brush or a hairdryer and a straightener, this is not very expensive at all. And it's such an amazing product. I freaking love it. To help with damage though, I always use this. This is L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Leave-In Conditioner. It says it has 97% less breakage and it's heat protectant up to 450 degrees. So I use this every time I wash my hair. I put it on after I get out of the shower, brush through my hair, and then I'll go in with whatever heat I'm using or, you know, something like this. This is basically all I have to say about this product. It is phenomenal, and if you have been wanting it, I highly recommend it. You could also use a 20% off coupon from Ulta, I'm pretty sure. Those are my thoughts for this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So anyway, that's it. That's all I have for this product. I just really love it, and I think it is an amazing product to get a nice sleek hairstyle in a very short amount of time when you have like super wet hair. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am doing Vlogmas, so a new video will be up tomorrow, and make sure that you watch every single other Vlogmas video. I do vlogging, I do other beauty videos, makeup tutorials like this, New Year's Eve looks, stuff like that on my channel. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in a video tomorrow. Bye guys!